Hey guys, welcome back. So today I wanted to film a makeup tutorial because it was so close for those of you guys who have voted on Instagram on what you guys wanted to see. It was 54% vlog for today, and then makeup tutorial was 44%. Now the reason that I am filming this makeup tutorial is because most of the girls from work actually voted for makeup tutorial. So I decided to go ahead and do that and just have it uploaded this week instead of last week. Yeah, no, maybe? Husband, leave me alone. Alright, so the palette that I decided to use also and kind of requested by Lily was the ABH Nervina collection volume 3. It is so pretty. I do want the 1 and 2 as well, but this one I feel like is more of my colors. I love warm shades, I love golds, I love purples, and I love that it has a little pop of green and yellow in there and some neons. I feel like this is a really good palette for festivals. I wouldn't want to travel with it because it's big, but I do like the color selection of this palette. If you guys want to see more makeup tutorials with this palette, just let me know down below. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for those of you who actually voted on Instagram. I really appreciate it. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Ciao. I really hope I'm in focus. The last time I filmed, I was not in focus. Before I do my eyebrows off camera, because I know you guys really don't care about that, I'm going to put some eye cream. I've been having some dryness in this area instead of my under eye, right? It's like a little dry patch. It kind of looks like an eczema flare-up, which is great. My eczema this year has not been the best to me. So I'm going to go ahead and apply that on my lid and also on my under eye area before I start this eye look. It's not going to 100% help, but it will just give my eye a little bit extra hydration. And I am using the Tatcha Silk Peony Eye Cream. Alright, let me do my eyebrows off camera because I know you guys really don't care, and then I will be right back. Alright, so I'm going to start out with some eyeshadow primer. I am using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I have the shade 2. When I purchased it, they didn't have any more shades. I kind of want to get the shade 0. But this shade, I feel like it's a good shade for anybody, but I do want to get the shade 0 and the deeper one if I do clients. Clients. Go ahead and blend it out with the sponge. I just find it to be easier. And I just spray it with a little bit of the vitamin C spray from ColourPop, just because again I have the eczema flare up, so it could look a little bit less dry, because it is looking a little dry there, which sucks because I haven't had anything there for a long time, and it was around my mouth all year fighting me. But now it's starting to come out on a little bit on my eyebrow bone, but as long as it doesn't come out too much on my lid, I would be okay. It just kind of sucks when I do want to do a more in detailed eye look, and it's about that I'll say hello to everybody. Ready. Alright, so now I'm going to go into a fluffy brush. So this one, and I'm going to go into the shade, I think I'm going to go into A5. Got some on the brush, and I'm going to go directly into the crease. So I'm doing teeny tiny circular motions. And blending all of that out. You see how easily that blends out though? Even though I'm having a flare up, it doesn't look too crazy. I'm going to go into C2. And I'm applying that directly into the crease, doing little window winder motions. So I like doing little circular motions and just going back and forth. Personally, my eyes get irritated very quickly if I rub it too much in the same area. So a lot of people just do this in the same area. Some people just pat it for a long time. I can't. I literally have to go little circular motions and go back and forth until I'm comfortable with the blendability of it. Because again, my eyes get irritated very fast, and with these dry patches, I do not want to irritate them. But just like that. So I'm going to go into E2, and I'm going to apply that to the outer corner. Now this I will do dabbing motions for, and just move it a teeny tiny bit upwards into that C2. I love these, they blend like nothing. I really, really, really want the other two. But you know, I've got a mortgage now. I can't just drop hundreds like I used to. I used to buy every collection. That's a problem. And just continue to add until you really like the way the outer corner is. I feel like what a lot of people forgot about is that they apply way too much or apply way too much pressure. You have to do it lightly. If you don't do it lightly and you just go straight in, that's actually when you start creating all that little hard mess that everybody tends to get. Trust me, when I'm in a rush, I do it too. So then I'm going to go in with the brush with the C2, and I'm just going to help marry those two colors together. I don't want anything too crazy since I'm not really going anywhere. But you could intensify that a lot more if you wanted to. I just like want something that kind of stands out a lot, but not like I'm going to an EDM concert, which I love to do, but still. Alright, now give me a second because I don't know what colors to put on the lid. True story. Alright, so now I'm going to go into C1. I don't know why I pretended like I wasn't going to go into this shade. I love this shade. It's so, so pretty. I'm actually going to wet it a little bit, again with the ColourPop Fourth Ray Glisten Up Mist. I actually want to buy a backup already, even though it's freshly new. I really like how it's kind of been leaving at my eyes and my face, but you see how I just, I technically don't want a full-on cut crease. I kind of hate the layering of it, mostly again because I'm having that dry issue. So I just apply it wet, and if it gets a little bit on my lid, that's okay. Anything can happen, but just like that. And simple. This eyelid is so much bigger. Yeah. Sorry guys, my husband's texting me. Which is why I have this guy in my ear. And make sure it doesn't like fully go off. Alright, that's good. I like how it looks. I'm gonna go back into that E2 and just kind of marry those two colors together. But I am gonna apply another color because I feel like it needs a little bit less harshness, but that just kind of helps it look nice and cohesive. Let's see. Let's do D4 because it's a little bit more of a satin color. Now applying that to the center. You see how those two go a little bit more smoothly together, so I want to do too much work. True story. Just like that. Now it just looks smoother. So this side. If you guys didn't notice, the brush I'm using for this is literally the Anastasia brush that used to come with like the palettes. I don't throw those away. Those brushes are actually bomb. Alright, so let me quickly just add a little bit more of that C1. Just like that. Eyeliner or no eyeliner? I kind of wish you guys could vote. Because I have no idea. I haven't been doing eyeliner recently. I've just been whatever. And not doing eyeliner whatsoever, but I don't want to, but we'll see. Let's do a little bit of touch up on that red. I always like doing this. Touching up a little bit of the crease, not applying more product. And then back to that orangey shade, that first color we put, which was A5. Just making sure everything is blended out nice and smoothly. Alright, I think I'm getting into the eyeliner. Okay, 1 second, let me grab it. Line and Define eye tape from e.l.f. These were like $3. I literally grabbed one guy and I cut it in half. I feel bad because everybody, when they're at my job and they're asking me, how do you do your eyeliner? I'm like, oh yeah, I cheat. I don't have patience nor time to sit here and try to perfect it. I do have a friend that does it in like 2 seconds with no guide. You can follow her on Instagram. I've been trying to convince her to do a YouTube channel, but she doesn't. Calling her out if she's watching this video. But I'm gonna go on my Sephora collection liquid eyeliner. It's the one that comes like this. If you guys know me, you know this is my baby. I absolutely love this stuff. I feel like it's just so much easier. I still need a new one already, but just waiting till the holidays get closer. And that is literally it. To me, that's like the easiest way for me to do my eyeliner. I do want to mention, if you guys don't like that it's kind of like glittery kind of up there, just use the glitter glue from Too Faced and then apply the eyeshadow over it. Like I said, like I don't really care what kind of troubles up there. Like maybe best light eyeshadow. But if it's like for a photo shoot or a special occasion, absolutely do that. I do my makeup all the time because of work, so I don't feel like doing all those steps all the time. Alright, so I'm going to go do the rest of my face and then come back. I literally do have to wait until this fully dries to take it off. If I take it off early, the line kind of messes up. So I gotta wait until it dries, just because of this eyeliner, because it takes a little bit to dry. But once I take it off, it's straight line. Of $3. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply that E2 with the same brush. I'm just applying a teeny tiny bit more to the lower lash line. I'm currently baking, if that's why you're looking at my nose like, what the hell's going on? And I'm only lightly baking, I just applied it. Just letting it stay there for like a minute while I do this part so that it doesn't get all over my face when I apply my lower lash line. Right, be right back. Alright, so now I'm going to apply my eyeliner. I'm using the Angla eyeliner in 77, which is their black. I always apply this eyeliner. I feel like it has the best longevity, and it is the darkest for my lower lash line. If you do have dry eyes though, be warned. Depending on my allergies, if my allergies are acting up, this eyeliner will not move, but it does not help them feel dry. Like, it makes them feel a lot drier than it already is, since it is a waterproof gel eyeliner. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my mascara. I do curl my lashes, and then I'm going to apply my L'Oreal Lash Paradise Primer. This is the one I'm using currently. And then I'm going to apply my Dan Brown Mascara over that, about 2 coats. I'll be back with the finished eye look. If you're wondering what's in my inner corner though, it is King Tut highlighter. I do apply whatever highlight I decide to put on my face to my inner corners of my eyes. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for those of you who actually voted on Instagram. I really appreciate it. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys enjoy this look. Ciao.